Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking your Realme and opening settings. This is where system toggles live. Once done, scroll to About Phone. You need the build number so you can enable developer access. Tap build number repeatedly, usually 7 times. Each tap counts toward the unlock. Make sure you use your device PIN or pattern if prompted, because Android confirms identity before granting developer features. This initial step creates the necessary flag in system settings to reveal hidden options. Once the build number is acknowledged, Android shows a brief message that developer options are enabled, and you may need to authenticate with your PIN. Do that now. Then go back to Settings, usually under Additional Settings or System, where the new developer options entry appears. You tap it to open a long list of toggles for debugging, USB configuration, and animation scales. Make sure to read each switch label before changing it, because some settings affect performance or security. You now decide which developer features to enable. Start with USB debugging when connecting to a computer, then disable it after use to reduce risk. To improve UI responsiveness, lower window and transition animation scales. That changes how fast things feel without altering core performance. If you don't see developer options, restart the phone and repeat the build number taps, because system caches sometimes hide the entry. If problems persist, update Realme UI. Updates can restore
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.